Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll make use of clay and make a beautiful wall hanging. The materials needed are air dry clay, cutting mat, cutter. This is the pre-cut for the shape I'm going to do. A roller, Vaseline, and some rings from keychain. You can also buy them separately, but since I had an old keychain, I'm taking these from that. This is the first time I am using this brand of air dry clay. Let's see how it is. Inside the packet there are two sealed packets inside which they are given the clay. Once you have taken the required quantity, seal it and keep it in an airtight container. This clay is very soft and easily moldable. It does not stick to your hands at all, but you can see the impressions that you made on it. It is very useful for doing roses. So now let's start rolling the clay. Do not make it very thin, but see that it is evenly spread throughout the length. See, this side is very thin, so I will not be using this side. Now I'll make a circular pattern out of it. If you do not have a circular bowl, then you can make a circle in a paper and then trace it out and cut it. Here, as you see, I removed it by taking from one side, and as a result it stretched on that side from which I pulled it. As you can see, the other side is very loose and not firm. So keep in mind to remove it from all the edges and not taking one edge and pulling it all over. Now this one which I made the second time, as you can see, is evenly spread and is not stretched from any one side. These uneven edges you can smooth it by using water. Now we'll cut the middle piece. The reason I have folded the paper is because I felt it was not proportionate to the two circles, so I thought I'll reduce its length by folding the paper. Don't forget to mark the holes for looping the three to make a wall hanging. Use a pencil and do it before it starts drying. Spread these three items on a polythene sheet and let it dry. Next, we'll sand off the uneven surfaces and make it smooth. For this, you can use a fine sandpaper. You can see how much of the clay particles are collected on the paper. Now let's start drawing on these. I have taken leaf pattern. You can search any pattern which you like and keep drawing on it. I have kept the middle portion plain and the smaller circle I have finished drawing the pattern. So now let's start painting it. I've kept my reference picture image on the right and I'm painting it. Once I finished painting, I wanted to give gold detailing. Now the only part remaining is they have to be looped. A wall hanging is ready.